Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an invoice in your Dubsado account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an invoice in Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some customers will not send out payment unless they receive their invoice. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create an invoice, it's going to be handled in the project level. So here on the left side, you're going to click on projects. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and find the project you're working on. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once I click on leads, you can see I have a project right here, and you're just going to go ahead and open up the project. All right, once you open up the project, you're going to see this menu along the top, and you want to click on invoices. Okay, once you click on invoices, you're going to look for this add button here on the right. Okay, so here is where we can go ahead and set up an invoice. So we can go ahead and choose the date, and then what we want to do is go ahead and add a line item. Okay, here's the invoice item, 15 days marketing local door to door. Okay, and then here's the description. This is our physical marketing for local companies. Okay, and then we can go ahead and fill out the quantity. Let's go ahead and just put one. Let's say the price was $9.99. Tax, you can go ahead and add that if it applies. This is a service, so no. And then you want to click on create. Oh, I forgot to add a type. So this is a service. Okay, I'm going to click on add item. Okay, so now we have one line item, and you can continue adding more line items if they have purchased more than one product. And next, what we're going to do is go ahead and choose a payment plan. So for me, mine is pay in full. Okay, now that you've put together your invoice, you can go ahead and send it up here on the top right via email, or you can do what I do and just copy the link. And now that the link is copied, I can go ahead and text message that to my client, or I can send it via an email, and they can click on the link and then make the payment if you've already set up your payment provider. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an invoice in your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.